Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniela and I go by the name of DSYB Hair. If you want to see how I look from this to this, then continue watching, guys. Today I'll be doing another crochet hair, but this time I'm going to be using two different colors in my hair, and I'll literally be showing you where to place each color to give that like highlight kind of look, like little streaks in your hair, if you guys can see. And I'm obsessed. This is like color 4 and then the natural hair color. Today you're going to see literally how I place, where I place everything, just so it gives this nice cute highlight illusion with crochet hair. And guys, this is a nice cute summer look. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, I would like to thank Ywigs for sponsoring this video with their 20-inch deep wave hair in color 4 and their natural black color. Now guys, I have so many crochet videos, so this video is more about placement of where I add the colors to give a highlight effect with the crochet. I'm using the 1 knot method like usual. So guys, at the bottom of the head I add 3 natural black strands, then 1 color 4 strand. But however, sometimes I'll add 2 black strands, then 1 color 4 strand, just so it doesn't look too perfect. I do repeat the pattern throughout the perimeter of the head before I go onto the front, which I will show you in the video. Also guys, I'm using 3 packs of the natural black and then 2 packs of the color 4 hair. As we get to the front of the hair, I change the pattern. I do 1 brown, then 1 black, 1 brown, then 1 black around the front. As you can see, I create a hairline illusion, which I've also explained in other videos, but I'm going to show you how to do a few just to refresh your memory. And for those that are watching this for the first time, then I'm going to show you the pattern I use in the middle of the head. As we get to the middle, I start to add 2 color 4, then 2 color black strands using the same 1 knot method. And that's literally how I create the highlighted look, guys. But guys, you can have fun with the colors. This is how I done it, but you can make it your own. You can add less or you can add more. You could add less or you could add more. It's totally up to you. Altogether, I use 2.5 packs on each side of the head. So altogether, that's 5 bundles of hair, 3 packs of the natural hair and 2 packs of the color 4. But anyways, I'm just going to finish off installing the hair and then I'll show you how I define the curls. This is how my hair looks before defining the curls and face framing my hair. I was actually loving the hair at this point, to be fair. So to define the hair, I water sprayed it, and then instead of using the tangling brush, I just ran my fingers through the hair as I was loving the curls as it was. I also used leave-in conditioner and a bit of mousse, as I feel mousse works better for coloured hair. When I do coloured hair, I feel like when I just use the leave-in conditioner, it doesn't fully like define, but once I add the mousse, it does what it needs to do. I was planning on cutting this hair very short, but when I defined the curls, I really liked the length that it was. Obviously, I had to frame my face a little bit because I can't help it, but I just cleaned the bottom and then just framed my face a little bit and just kept it closer to the length because I was loving the length. On to face framing. I forgot to press play when I done my first cut, but I just cleaned the bottom and then done a little bit of layers because I was already loving the way the hair looked. I then left the hair to air dry, and that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video where you can see the final look. And that's it, guys. This is the final look. Guys, I am so obsessed with this color. I'm feeling this color, and what's so annoying, it's not looking how it's supposed to look in like how it looks in real life. It looks 10 times better in real life than on the camera right now, and it's annoying me because this is looking like 10 out of 10. I am so obsessed. I'm loving the way where I placed everything and everything. Like, guys, you can literally color, if let's say if they don't have your color, you can literally color one of them and then the other one leave it black and have that highlight look with whatever color you like. Or even if you get this hair and then color this color, oh, 10 out of 10. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely recommend Ywigs crochet hair because their hair always does what it needs to do. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys would like to see next and follow all of my socials. But see you later, guys. Bye.